Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I am so happy to be back bringing you guys some motivation. I know that it has been months since you guys seen a video from me, but it have been months of well rested, you guys. Yes, I have been contemplating about coming back, but then I was like, but yeah, I am back, you guys. I'm so happy to be bringing you guys motivation once again. And also, you guys, I want to thank the ones that have reached out to me from time to time just to see how I was doing and when and where were the videos. But yeah, I am back, you guys. I'm going to be bringing you guys, as of right now, one video per week. So yeah, this is the first video back. As you can see, I was showing you guys the overview of the living room and the kitchen that I was going to be working on today. And also you saw the little fluffy pooch that's following me around. You will see him throughout this video. He's going to be in and out of this video, you guys. There's no way that I can keep him out of the video unless I put him in his bed. But yeah, also, you guys, these videos are going to be slow living homemaking videos. Yeah, when I was making videos once before, I was trying to get everything done all at once, and I've noticed over time that it doesn't do anything but mess with your mental, and also it makes you feel like that you have to get it done all in one day, and that is unrealistic, you guys. You do not have to get this stuff done all in one day. You can break it up, you can do some here and there, but yeah, you guys, I hope that these videos are motivating, and also, you guys, I hope that it is something that will, you know, help you get things done around the home at a slow pace, because everything though has to be at fast pace. But as you can see, you guys, I'm starting out in the kitchen. I'm just going to go around the kitchen and get everything all clean and tidy up, and then towards the end of the video you will see me make my way back into the living room. But yeah, so I'm not going to do that much talking in the video, but I just want to come back and let you guys know that I miss you guys, and I hope that this video is motivating enough to share the video, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also, you guys, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Natara, and over here on the Johnson's Life, I will be doing slow living homemaking videos. If you guys doesn't know what that means, I will not be zipping and zapping trying to get everything done, all in one day. These videos are going to be such a slow pace every now and again, but also, just to let you guys know that living doesn't always have to be fast paced. I know some days are fast paced and some days are not, but it is such a joy to be living at a slow pace. I mean, what I mean about that is I'm not in a hurry at all times. So yeah, you guys, I hope that you guys like these kind of videos. But if not, I know that it is an audience out there for slow living homemaking videos. So yeah, you guys. Also, I don't know what day of the week that I will be posting, but as of now, I'm gonna try to get them out on a Monday so that you guys can have the beginning of the week motivation. So if not, I will let you guys know on my community tab or on my social media sites when I will be posting the video. So be on the lookout for that, you guys. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so, and also share the channel with your family and your friends. It is the fall season as of right now. What are some things that you guys like to do during the fall, winter months? Me personally, I like to make soups during the fall, winter months. This past week, I made taco soup, and I will be sharing that within a video, you guys. If you go back to last year around this time, I made the taco soup when I don't know if it was last year or year before last, but anyway, I did make the taco soup in a video, but I will be remaking that and sharing it with you guys. Let me know down below what you guys like to do and what kind of comfort food that you guys like to eat during the fall, winter months. Okay, you guys, we are nearing the end of the video. I would like to thank you guys so much for coming back for another video. Also, you guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so at this time, and also share the video out with your family and your friends. And I hope to see you guys next week. Bye guys.